Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to fix fast charging not working on your LENOVO Legion Tab Gen 3. So first, what you guys can do is check your cable and charger for damage or compatibility with the device. So basically, when you get your original charger from the Lenovo, then make sure to check it for compatibility if it's actually fast charging, and check your cable for damage because the charger itself probably won't have damage at all. And now what you guys can also do is clean the charging port with a non-metallic tool. So basically use something soft like a soft brush or compressed air, because as you guys can see we have the port right here. Basically the port is here and we can easily air compress it. So I recommend you guys using the air compressor, not the soft brush, although both things work well. So now what you guys can do is try and test it with another fast charger or maybe the output charger to check if that works, and if not, then maybe it's just a software glitch and you guys might need to update your software. So open up your tablet, then scroll down to settings, and here we need to scroll down all the way to the bottom until we see about tablet. Now here click system update and it will check automatically if you have a new version available. If you don't, then that's great, but that means the charger is probably broken or damaged. And if you do not have the latest version of the software, then it might be the issue itself. So I recommend you guys updating it, and let me know in a comment if it helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment. So thank you for watching, bye.